never see. Look at me now.
Yeah. Used to stare at that red screen, hands on my face. Every candle like a punch I could taste. Blown accounts every month on repeat. Screens glowing while my friends hit the street. Prop firm rules like a chain on my neck. Hit my target, then they pull one step. Daily loss, tap out, margin on the thread. Talking to the chart like it's all in my head. Greed said double up, fear said bail. Mine doing laps while the plan derail. Stop too tight, then it tags, then it runs. Felt like the market just laughed when I'm done. First payout, but it's not my last. They say you'll quit, now I count this cash. They roll me off, I just wrote my plan. Now I'm up and I'm up again. First payout, but it's not my last. Turn that doubt to a victory lap. You said I can, now you watch me stack. Got one check, now I'm coming right back. They said get a real job, dreams too small. While I journaled every entry on my bedroom wall. Screens at dawn, eyes dry, but I stayed back testing every scar from the trades I made. Psych on tilt, heart race when I click. Cutting wind short, let the losers get thick. Talking to my shadow in the monitor glare. Stick to wrist, let the trend go where. Prop firm, email almost failed that phase. One pip shot, thought I lost those days. But I tightened my rules like my laces on the track. Came back, hit target, little green on the stack. First payout, but it's not my last. They say you quit, now I count this cash. They roll me off, I just wrote my plan. Now I'm up and I'm up again. Now I'm up and I'm up again. It's for the nights when the spread felt cruel. Charts in my face like I'm back in school. It's for the cans that you threw in my ear. I took every word, turned it all into gear. This for the rules that were built like a cage. I learned every line, made them fuel my rage. This for the voice that said you'll just crash. I muted that sound when I saw that cash. Now it's payout day, screenshot in the mail. Bank app buzzing like I just made bail. I don't flex small wins, I respect that grind. Every digit on the screen took a piece of my mind. But I'm not done, it's the first brick laid. Whole new challenge every time I get paid. I run it back, same plan, more calm. Same firm, new face, same war, new bomb. They gon' say lucky, call it just a streak. But they ain't see the losses, I don't ever tweet. You doubt me once, I'll forget that fast. Doubt me twice, I'll just double this bag. Now I'm up and I'm up again. Pressure from my father and my mother.
Yo, what's that word, man? What's that word? What's that word? How we feeling? How we feeling? YouTube, what's good? How'd everybody do this morning, man? I got good skin, bro. I put on lotion, something you might not never know nothing about, my boy. Ashy face ad, boy. No charts, brother. I just turned my camera on. God damn. All right, hold on, bro. Shit. Wait, talking about no charts. I just showed my face, homie. Yeah, for now, yeah, bro. How'd everybody do this morning, though? Today was free, bro. Today was fucking free. Coach been meaning to ask you what times you be trading. I trade the New York session, then I trade here. I only trade live with you guys here, though. I trade the New York session by myself. 150 on Funder, 1800 on 3 evals, good shit. Blue one account, 900 on another account, good shit. Take the good out the bad, run with it. Good morning, Coach. Damn, what part of the world you at? 1500 on eval and pass, good shit. Today was free, y'all. I'm not even gonna lie. Today was free. One week with P2P and passed the 25K eval, my boy. Plenty more where that came from, Brody. Any more where that came from, Brody. I need 800 for my eval. Hey, don't rush it. That don't mean full port, my boy. No trades today. Coach gonna take one if it presents. Which one is it, tight work? Is it no trades today, or you gonna take one if it presents? That boy just hit me with some shit. Man, just fuck my brain up. Two fresh, 3,500, 3,600 across 5 accounts. Good shit, bro. None today. Gonna take Globex if it presents. Got you. Got you. I need what you smoking, my boy. It sound like it's worth the stomach pain. It sound like it's worth a hospital trip. Roger Gordon, what's good, Brody? That grabber. Right, is it hot? Yeah. I hope you're not rolling no cold spliffs over there. I really don't know what I want to see. I would love to see a pop to maybe sweep 763 and a drop. I got Fib 2. I got Fib 2 going up. I got Fib 2 going up. I have my personal Fib on as well. Fucked up my 3 accounts yesterday for over trading and revenge. It be like that, brody. It's all good. Buy another account and lock back in. Nah, Vile, I don't know if I could. Same shit. Same shit. Yeah, rent was due today, bro. It's a blessing and a curse, bro. I had to give these people my hard-earned money. After you said about your stomach problem because of weed, I quit like a week ago. It's been hard, but today is my 5th day sober and my stomach feels way better. Thank you. I'm telling you. You know, like coach might tell you a joke, but I will never tell you a lie. That's really what it was, bro. Priscilla, what they do? Oh yeah, it's a lamp, and they got like little jellyfish. Got little jellyfish swimming in there, JB. That shit player. That shit player. I'm gonna get like 2, 3 more of those. Put them around the crib. That shit player. Got about like 4 minutes until market opens. Coach, do you know how long Tradeify dashboard takes to update? I want to request my first payout with them already. Got a max payout. Good shit, bro. I would hope maybe till 6 p.m. Probably at 6 p.m. everything will update. If not, maybe like 7, 8 p.m. Most of the props, if they don't update by 5, then normally by like an hour after the Globex open is when that should open up. But just keep an eye on it. After 6 p.m. for Tradeify, see, there we go. Monique, bro, where the fuck you been at? Coach, you have more fibs than P2P only for Asia session. I have my own. I have like 3 personal fibs that I use for Asia session. Taking a darn break, man. Shit, as long as you good, Monique. You know you my mans. Juju, what's good? Market opens in like 2 minutes. I want to see a pop over 763. And I'm gonna short the fuck out of that shit. I'm not gonna lie. I want to see a pop, gap up, rip these highs at 763, wick out, come back down, fill the gap, and hopefully take this all the way back down. Take this all the way back down. I would love to see that actually. But if not, I'm gonna look for something concrete. If we got a gap down, I have areas of interest for a gap down. If we gap up, I got some shit for a gap up. You been on your skincare? Nah, I just been. What that boy Gucci say? Shit, the money, baby, it just got my skin glowing. And some lotion, some cocoa butter. Them glizzies doing his skin wonders. Get your bitch ass on, V-Lay. Get your bitch ass on, homie. Market opens in about 30 seconds, man. You probably do Korean skincare. Kiara, bro, I don't have no skincare routine, bro, but I appreciate the compliments though. Just, call washing your face every morning, get you some shea butter, drink some water, and your shit might glow like Coach. All right, so really no gap down or anything like that. It was like we're just selling the fuck off. Just tap the 5-minute fair VZ. Turn range liquidity. Let's see. Might just test alone, to be honest with you. I like how we're in this 5-minute. I like how we swept that internal range. Yeah, let's see where this long will take us. See where this long will take us. Stops are very, very tiny. 9-point stop. See if the next candle can bring us up. If not, 9-point stop. 5 that's nothing. I'm about to get taken out. Who got grades? Can we wake up from here? Just tapped into this 1 minute fair value gap sitting here. Tap this 1 minute, see if this shit can hold. If not, I am out of there. Even longer short, I am in longs. I'm in longs at 27. Do you have any live accounts? What's the difference? You're talking about like an actual cash account that I put my own money in? No, I don't have one of those. I just trade the props. Oh, the difference between a live prop and a futures prop? The only difference is I believe it's like the buffer. You start off being able to make some money. There's no rules. That's the only difference. See how this 5 minutes looking. Ooh. Ooh. We just got blessed. See if we can get that gap fill. I'm taking a partial at 740. 740, I'm taking a partial if we can get there, if we don't wick out. I want to see, it's weird because I see a gap on Tradeovate, but I don't see a gap on TradingView. It's definitely weird. A complete wick out is crazy. Complete wick out is crazy. See if we can get this wick fill. See if we can get this wick fill. Wicks are wild. Yeah, these wicks are crazy as fuck. Here's some crazy ass wicks. I want to see if we can fill that gap though. At least be able to fill that gap, take a partial, go break even, and we're good. We can get that. First 2 minutes of the 5 minute gives us that top wick, and then we can get in this gap fill. What I don't want to see is this gap get, just tested and it gets treated like a fair VZ. But it's weird because I have a gap on Tradeovate, but I don't have a gap on TradingView. Trading view is showing as a regular fair value. You know what I'm gonna do? Let me see how this next candle closes. Bam, just like that. That is a fill. Gonna go break even on that. Go and break even on that. And let's see if we can take us to our 764. See if he can take us to our 764. And we're chilling. Risk-free trade. No gap on wealth charts? Yeah, that's weird. Let me refresh my trader bait. Maybe trader bait's tripping. Oh, okay. So it was tripping on trader bait. But either way, we're risk-free on this trade. This is exactly where I wanted to see us come and test that. And I would love to see us blow through this fair value gap like it's not there. And I want to see us test these highs up here at 763. 750 is 100% a partial for me. 747 to be exact is when I'll be partialing. 5 minutes about to close in about what, a minute and 30. 15-minute completely wicked out. Let's see if we can get this flip. You on the 30s chart? This is NQ, brother. This is NQ. What is MNQ? MNQ is micro NASDAQ. So you have NQ, which is when you're trading the mini contracts, and you have micro NQ where you're trading the micros. I trade micros. Diego M339 with the $1.99 tip. You solo dolo now? Yeah, for now. Got that bitch. Let's see me go ahead and put mine at 740, 748. Go ahead and put that from right now. See if we can get a pop up. It's holding this fair value gap here. I want to see it getting validated. I stopped on the first wick out. Like, am I wrong for having my stop there at this point? Where was your stops? If you stopped yourself out just because we wicked out, I mean, that's totally on you managing your risk that way. But I gave myself enough room. Now, I'm not gonna sit and act like it didn't edge the fuck out of me. Definitely did. But I survived. Brand new 5 minute. Want to see this 15-minute flip. Want to see this 15-minute flip. We're golden. If we can get this flip on the 15-minute, we look good. Not even too far away. The flip is at 43. We're not even too far away. We just got to invalidate this fair value gap and we look good. But it's trolling. Smash, what's good, bro? You put my final here. Excuse me. Hate all-time highs, hell yeah, but we here, brother. We are here. Hey guys, I have a question. Has anyone else had their Apex account suddenly become blown? I closed today with a profit of 449, and when I checked, I didn't see any active accounts. You gotta talk to them and see if you violated any rules. See if you violated anything. There we go. Give us that push. Give me 48. Give me that push. Give me 48. Give me that push. Give me 48. One more boost. Continuation. One more boost. Continuation. Bam. 48. Smacked. TP1 smacked. I'm taking this to 62. Taking this to 62. That's a crazy wick. I'm not gonna lie, that's a nasty ass wick. That is a nasty ass wick off the QPZ. Ain't even gonna lie, damn. That is a nasty wick off the QPZ. We got the flip for it to flip back around, but it's all right. I got taken out of that trade, guys. Break even. Well, not break even. I cuffed 221 per account. Show you guys. $221 per account. I was only to take one TP. Before it flipped on it. That was a nasty ass wick. We got the flip on the 15-minute. I expected us to push after that, but we didn't. But it's all good. It's all good. It's all good. I started off with 5, then I added to my position and ended up with 10. Started off with 5 micros, ended up with 10. Got out before the flip. Hell yeah. So short now, the shorts do look good. It hit a lot of my areas of interest. I was just hoping that we sweep that 762 before we come back down. So it is what it is. Shorts is looking juicy though. Rejecting both of my areas of interest like that. Wick and flipping. Well, actually 3 of my areas of interest. See what this 5-minute does. We got about 40 seconds left in the 15. Dad Gaming, how do I fix this? Fix what? What you talking about? Lead account only took half the contracts? That's never happened to me before. That's never happened to me before, Brody. What's your course run for cost? I don't have a course. I trade P2P. P2P is the course. I do coachings. $285 on the pro, good shit, bro. Yeah, yuck, bro. That candle was fucking disgusting. That candle was fucking disgusting. In coaching, do you teach your strategies? Of course. Unless you just wanna sit and fucking talk about bitches, I guess. Talk about fucking shoes. Just you roll a joint, I hit my vape. That's cool too, bro. I ain't gonna lie. I mean, shit, it's whatever you want, bro. I could teach you how to do a backflip. How you liking the chain? It's cool, man. It's cool. Fuck with it. Fuck with it. Bro, that wick out was nasty as fuck. Thank you, Coach. Passed my combine. Good shit, bro. Good shit, man. $500 to be my friend for an hour is not a bad deal. I'm telling you. I'm a great friend. I'm a good friend, man. I'm a good wingman. I'm good. You know, I'm just an all around quarterback. I'm just all team quarterback. All time QB. You a friend like that trucker guy? Nah, he's a L man's. He's a L man's. I'm not gonna lie. He's a L man's, but fuck with it. I fuck with it. Hey, Coach, to trade with Lucid on TradingView, do I need to open a TradeAvate account? That's a good question. I don't connect my broker to TradingView. I look at TradingView solely as a charting platform, and I look at TradeAvate as the trading platform. So when it comes down to that, let me see. Can you? Where's the little shit at? You can trade Lucid on TradingView, right, chat? I haven't connected my prop to my TradingView in I don't know how long. Yeah, you can. So, all right, for sure. So, yeah, bro, what you would have to do is, first, I think you do need to open up a. Oh, so you don't. So you just use your same login, bro. Paste your Lucid credentials in, and you got to find your prop. So you'll go like this, and then you'll find the prop somewhere in here. TradeAvate, connect TradeAvate to Lucid, and then boom. Then you lit. Same login, brother. Have a quick question. Does Legacy Apex accounts have a limited number of payouts? What's a Legacy account? Is that when they make you live? Oh, that's the previous ones? No, I don't think so. Coach, can you make a setup happen? I'm trying to get more money following your ways. I bet. Let me think. Full port buys, NFA. Full port buys, NFA. May the force be with you, my boy. May the force be with you, my boy. I do want to see us get up to 762 right now. Right now, it's just moving walkie. Nothing really I could get in right now. Exactly, MP. This shit is just fucking ranging, bro. Still in longs? Heavens no. I got taken out break even. I took a partial, got taken out break even. $620, brand new 5-minute candle just printed. How's this 30-minute looking? Still inside this 30-minute gap. Bro, did I not say, hey, bro, if you didn't full port buys when I told you, you talking about make a set come up? I just use my chakra. If you didn't full port that buy, bro, Okay, I bet. I bet, bro. Don't waste my chakra, bro. I'm a real Jedi, bro. Come on, Tyler, bro. It's the young Jedi, man. That boy should be up like $400-500 right now. Jedi get no what? Who said I get hoes, brother? Ain't nobody tell you short people ain't in style no more? I don't get thoughts, bro. Yep. What you mean lies, Jazz? It's just, bro. Come on, bro. Everybody wants somebody that's 6'2". They don't want nobody that's 5'6". They don't want that shit. Alejandro, you already know what I'm looking for, Brody. How can you get over the fact that a $300, $400, $500, $600 day is good? My greedy ass be wanting 100 more. You got it, bro. SNTS, do you have a job? You do have a job. I'm not pocket watching you, but do you make $600 in 3 minutes at your job? So you work and get paid every 2 weeks, 40-hour weeks. You patient as fuck for your check in 2 weeks. But now you greedy making $600 in 3-4 minutes. Think about it. You ain't greedy at work, because I bet you if they asking for overtime, your ass is not accepting that bitch. You trying to go right to the crib. Guaranteed. So you ain't that greedy. So when you make your little $500-600, $200-300 in 3-4 minutes, man, you better take that. I made 221 per account. I'm chilling. Until I see my next setup, I'm not clicking this button again. That's a fact. Hey, yo, chill. Should I take my 600 and be done, or keep that bitch in as an extra buffer? That's totally on you. You're 600 above buffer. It's totally on you. We're testing this same fair value gap. Even though we broke above it. Let me see how we look on a higher time frame. 5 minutes about to close. Go break even, bro. Or take half, take a partial, go break even. You have a point. Some of us make more than we do trading. If you can, I ain't gonna lie, if your job is making you $600 in 2-3 minutes, I have nothing to say to that. But if you know for sure you waiting 2 weeks for a $3,000 check, happily, don't get greedy because you made $400 or $500 in a couple minutes and now you think you need more. It just don't make sense to me. CPP ball bees. What the hell are you talking about, bro? I was talking about the women, bro. The women want shit like that, bro. I'm a short king. We not in style no more, bro. How do you identify a fair value gap? It's a three candle pattern that forms an imbalance in price. So we have this fair value gap. Candle 1, candle 2, candle 3. Just that simple. I like mine with something wrong with them and a little ugly. I ain't gonna lie, something wrong with me. I'm slow, but I don't know about that little ugly shit though. You on your own with that one. I'm a little short too, but I am slow. I got 2 out of the 3. That 4-port long is going to work. Tyler, man, tell me how much you up, brother? Tyler, talk to me. How much you up, brother? Nah, he was saying he was up 600. My boy Yuck up 570. Good shit. Still printing. Told you I'm a young Jedi. Because when you have multiple fair value guys who's one is best, so you go to a higher time frame. Treat them with the same respect. I've been out when that $100 came my way. I got pussy. Yeah, you got that pussy, bro. You got that pussy, Tyler. I ain't gonna lie, you got that pussy, bro. Ain't no way. Ain't no way I just wasted my Jedi for you to make $100. Ain't no fuck it. Tyler, if you don't get your ass on, bro, you made me use my Jedi tricks for $100? A bean? I thought you said you was up 600, so you was lying now? That boy had a terrible RR. I told that boy full port, he went 2 micros. I'm done. I ain't gonna lie, I'm done with y'all, bro. No more Jedi for me. I'm done with y'all, bro. I got 500 from the trade before. Oh, all right, for sure. Hey, black man, old brother. Hey, what's up, Bino, bro? How you feeling, my brother? You put them ribeyes on the grill and you didn't call me? Oh, you doing that tonight, bro? Do you hear what's going on outside? Fam, it's a hurricane. You don't hear that shit? It's going crazy outside, bro. NQ Scalper, what's good, Brody? What's your trading strat P2P, brother? What are the main difference between CFE and futures? To me, just as a point system. That's pretty much it to me. Now, I'm not gonna lie, I will run in the rain and leave my whip right here for that Wagooski, though. No doubt. Hey, Tyler, bro. Fuck you, Tyler, bro. I ain't gonna lie. Who took the loan? I know I wasn't joking. You didn't see me close my eyes and tap in? You know I wasn't joking. I closed my eyes and tapped in, tapped inward. Hey, bro, chill on my jellyfish, bro. Them real jellyfish that I got from Miami Beach, bro. Caught them shits myself, bro. Don't even do that, bro. You know how hard it is to catch a jellyfish? Caught that shit with my bare hands on me. Do the jellyfish got names? I haven't really thought about names for it yet, bro. I think I might. Name them Sandy and then Cheeks. Sandy and Cheeks. Sandy and Cheeks. Yeah, I think that'll be vibing. Yep. Owen. Hey, Tyler. I'm just saying, Tyler. I'm just saying, Tyler. I'm just saying, Tyler. Now I do want to see 762 get swept. You can swim? Hell yeah, I can swim. I'm just saying, bro. The full port is almost up 30 points, bro. The full port is almost up 30 points, bro. My boy El Capitano. Good shit, bro. Now I'm waiting on 762 to see if we can get a reaction out of 762. Other than that, I'm chilling. Think we can get into 780s, maybe 800 is possible. 780 is definitely a possibility. I mean, 800 is a possibility too. I'm a Jedi, not a magician, bro. But I definitely want to see what happens when we get to 762. DJ Monte, what up, Brody? Got my 500 locked out. Appreciate it, my G Apollo. Good shit, bro. Hey, Anarchy, can you turn me into a Jedi, bro? I need you to make me a Coach Yoda. Make me a Coach Yoda. What color do you want your lightsaber? Green. They make me a Coach Yoda, man. NQ Scalper, what setup are you looking at? Are you looking for, fam? I want to see what type of reaction we get out of tapping into 763. I want to see what type of setup we get. So far, everybody, if you guys did take the loans, you should be break even. If you took both of them, you should be break even. Taking partials, 750 is 100% a partial. If you haven't taken a partial now, if you haven't taken a partial yet, take one now. YouTube, we got 239 people in here. How many likes we got? 48 likes. YouTube, y'all got until 7:30. No, 7:25 to get me 200. And I got something for y'all. Good shit, Yucky. A Coach Churro. Hey, Athena, you think maybe we could time that kid out? Maybe for about a cool 15. Athena, you think we could just do something about that? Cause that was, I ain't gonna lie, that was wicked work. I ain't gonna lie, I wouldn't look too crazy with that color in my dreads either. I could probably pull that shit off. No, all right, Tiny, all right, bet. Tiny said no. Tiny said no. Tiny said no. Say less. I'll stop. I'ma chill. I went too far, ain't it? My fault. My fault. My fault. Who the fuck is that, Bino? Oh, that is dude from Bad Boys. That boy. All right, that ain't bad. That ain't bad, Anarchy. That ain't bad. That ain't bad. That boy fresh as fuck. That ain't bad, Anarchy. Yeah, can you turn the Yoda? Can you turn the Yoda like, you know, a nice pecan brown? And me, Kimu. I'm the 66 light, and I love you. Appreciate it, bro. Love, bro. So fucking noisy. Practice action at open. Try it once a week. First time I'm here. Welcome, bro. Miss two bangers. Yo, when I catch this fly, bro. Yo, I'm gonna burn them. I, hey, hey, Lama, ain't no way they did you like that, bro. Did Lama the dirty way. Priscilla, it's so crazy. Boy, it is storming out there. It's so crazy, Priscilla, bro. I just killed his fucking stepbrother, bro. Back up, make it easier for AI. All right, bet. That should be good. Bro, Anarchy, what the fuck? Why do I look like I'm made out of silicone, brother? Where my wrinkles? Cause black don't crack, dog. That boy know something. That boy know something. That's why you take partials, fellas. Everybody should be break even. The loan was called at like 27. Easy was good, Brody. I need a bug assault gun. Check it out. Yeah, I'm gonna check it out. Shoot my own crib up. NQ Dell, what's up, bro? What's that word? What's that word, man? This man made me a Gorgon, a Jewish coach. Bro, what the fuck is going on in here, bro? What the fuck is going on in here, bro? Oh, and what the hell is going on, bro? Someone make Coach tall. I ain't gonna lie, bro. Let's get an indefinite ban on Smurfy GG. Let's just, he doesn't need to be here anymore. Athena, you think you can handle that for me? JB, O, and somebody? Let's get him the fuck out of here. Let's get him the fuck out of here. He's profitable enough. Let's get him the fuck out of here. If we hold on to this 786 that I have, my level here, this may end up coming back down. Let me see where we're at on the other time frames. 15 minutes about to close. We have not been able to break that 786 on a higher time frame. We're in a nice little 1 minute right now. This shit can give a dumper. My first name is Aquarius. All right, let me stop lying. My first name is Demetis. Demetis is my first name. You want to know my last name? Brown. Demetis Brown, brother. Demetis Brown, my guy. Look me up. Google me. Price too slow. I'll wait for Tokyo. Shit, it's all good, brother. Thank you, Dale. Who is this young Asian and black girl you got standing next to me, bro? Motherfucker, bro. Fucking Lama, bro. Fucking Lama, bro. Aquarius Maximus. I am an Aquarius. The best sign, number one sign in the nation. Number one sign in the nation, bro. YM Go, what the yo? What y'all got going on, bro? Coach taking a selfie. I actually have that fit. Gray Val State jacket with the Wolf Gray 5s. I just don't have that beanie though. Smurfy G. You wish you had that drip. Oh, here come Knack, bro. Who the fuck said that? Blueface is quick. Listen, Blueface don't speak for all of us, bro. Blueface don't speak for all of us, bro. What about Coach? Coach is an Aquarius, so that's, that's good money. Blueface ain't got nothing to do with us. My boy also has the Toyota sign tatted on his face. Come on, brother. Coach loves asking what bitches signs on the 2-man. Nah, bro, they be asking me. And then we got CC as an Aquarius as well. You can't even argue with me no more. The sell is selling, y'all boys. The short is fucking shorting. JV Trades, what the fuck you got going on? I asked Aniki to make me a Jedi, and y'all in here tweaking like. Tiny, you see this shit? The fuck is going on here? JB has to relax, bro. He didn't make me waste Mindu. He made me a fucking YouTube, 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 YouTube. Yo, coach, I saw you chefing some chicken. My boy cooks. Yeah, brother. I can really cook. I can really cook. Thanksgiving, I could tell your BM to go put her feet up. I got it. I got it. Yeah, Lama, I got it. I could really whip some shit up, Santana Flex. Inside was probably raw. I was inside your bitch, raw. I was in there hanging out. No Jimmy, no safety. Just cooling in there. No, I wasn't even stroking. I was just leaving it in there and just hitting my vape. I just left it in. I didn't do no motion. Just hit my vape. Put some shit on YouTube. Ooh, the short is shorting. The short is shorting. Ooh, the short is shorting. 7:15. I'm taking a particle. Hitting the fucking Benjamin. Short is fucking shorting, fellas. I'm gonna take one there. Bang, 600, I'm out. Good shit, Brody. Couldn't move my take profit fast enough. Got clocked on a solid window. Good shit. 543. TP 655 for me. Yeah, it can get down there, but 715 is definitely a partial. How often you gritty? I ain't hit the gritty in a nice little minute. I'm up 7,100 shorter from the. Got his bitch ass. Fuck boy. I got that bitch. Good shit, Tiny. Probably tear your ACL again. Fuck you. And I ain't gonna lie, Lum, you gotta take that shit back, bro. You don't even know how painful an ACL tear is, bro. You gotta take that back on me. Oh, Habibi, you fuck with these? Had to go, you know, little pink denim tear motherfuckers. Little pink denim tear motherfuckers. I didn't think you had legs. Okay. All right. Let's Habibi, let's just relax, brother. Let's just relax, brother. When did you get that short? So as soon as we rejected, and I've said it as well, 15-minute could not close respect or close over my 786. We're in the 1 minute fair value gap that it can dump from here. Jumped in. So this was exactly the 642 candle. Coach, you greasing? Wait, that's Lama? Bro, y'all gotta chill. Ooh. 715 smashed. Damn. Somebody check Twitter. What the fuck did this man say now, bro? I'm trailing at 729. Oh, he said something? Okay, shit. Well, shit, he need to keep saying that. Fuck you mean? He need to keep talking. He needs to keep talking. Short is shorting. Fucking rolling. Short is shorting. I have my 1 micro left. Yes, sir. Yes, sir, baby. Yes, sir. 2 parcels, Brody. Everybody is printing. Let me get a 1 if you're in the short. ACL is not painful. Recovery from surgery is. Fuck out of here. Another one, bruh? Copy that. Just didn't want to write my notes wrong. Okay, yeah, I got you, Bieber. Right now, we're holding underneath my fib level, but we are still respecting a 1 minute. 5 minute closes in about 2 minutes. There's no way we should wick up respecting the previous 5. I mean, we already invalidated it, so I'm not too worried about it. Let's see how that 15 minute is looking. Ooh, we have an untested 15 minute there. Same area as an untested 30. I'll be honest with y'all, I might end up fulling right here. I might end up fulling at 92. If we can get to 92, I'm gonna full at 92. Where's my stop loss, coach? My stop loss right now is at 29. I'm probably just gonna full at 92, fellas and ladies. Baddies and ugly motherfuckers. Full long? No, I'm gonna full close. I'm gonna full close. War taking place right now. Why the reaction? Shit, we need it. Whatever we doing to keep us shorting, I need us to keep shorting. Everybody's in a short. Good shit, bro. We're gonna do a nice little profit roll call in a little bit. See if we can get to 690. 692 to be exactly where I'm gonna take mine. I'm getting out at 687 if it hit. I hope it hits for you, brother, because if it hits 687, that means it's going to hit 690. Bro, there can't be another one, bro. Is this a good reentry spot? To me, no, because it's risky, bro. It's risky. Brand new 5 minute. It's risky, bro. It's risky. We would have to break back under 712. We would have to break back under 712. If not, just stay out of it, bro. Trump was on our side today. Caught that on the fucking PA too. Let's get it, man. For the coaching sets, do I need a camera or just be on the Discord is all? Yeah, just be on the Discord is all. You good. How do y'all add the timer next to price on TradeOvate, Tiny, or TradingView? Because TradingView should have just came with it. On View, it should have just came with it. Hold on, let me see. Settings, Canvas. Countdown bar to close. Go to settings, go to scales and lines, and go to countdown to bar close. Countdown to bar close, and it'll be right there. My man, you had that call on live. I don't trade P2P, but you deserve change, my brother. Appreciate you, Ron B. Appreciate you, Ron B. Let me hold $1, player. I know I'm good for 4 quarters, my boy. Let me get $1. You got it. Give me that dump to 692, and I am out of there. Let's go. Let's take these lows. I want to see ES take the lows as well. We took the lows on NQ, ES. We need one more push to take the lows. I'm going to move my trail to 17. Do that on TradeOvate right now. Moving my trail to 17. And let's get it. 10 more points. Not even 10 more points. 8 more points. Give me 8 more points. I am not asking for much. 6 more points. I am not asking for much. Oh, brother. It's a nice wick. Let's get the flip. Let's get the push and get me out of there. We get into that 92, man. We get into that 92. We need a nice little continuation. Nice little continuation. Oh shit, we got 7 o'clock. We got 7 o'clock. Will 7 p.m. be on our side this time, chat? Bro, just give me the 92, then you can reverse all the fuck you want, bro. Give me the 92, you can reverse all the fuck you want. We're inside a nice little 1 minute right now. Oh, brother. Wick out. Give me push. Give me push. Give me push. Bro, you short looking momentum volume. What? You trying to fire me up? Chad, is he trying to flame? Did I short based on momentum or volume? Nah, I shorted based off the strategy. My 786 couldn't break on a higher time frame. We got into a 1 minute fair value. Break and retest of one of my areas of interest. I clicked the button. Athena, you saved them, boy. Athena, you saved them. I was finna flame them. Like how we rejected this 1 minute. Let's take these lows. I'm asking for 8 points. I ain't asking for too much. 7 points, 6 points. 1 point. Let's get it. TP smash. TP smash. TP smash. Let's fucking go, bro. Let's fucking go, bro. Let's fucking go, bro. Let's fucking go, bro. Let me get a profit roll call, man. Let me get a profit roll call, man. Let me get a nice little profit roll call, man. Good shit. Good shit, bro. That was easily, my entry was like 43. Wait, no. I think it was like 43 or might be 42. 50 points. We caught entries here. My entry was 27. 26 points, 76 points. Let's get it, man. Hold on. Let's run back the profit roll call, man. Let me take a nice little profit roll call. Let's get it. Everybody, let me see something. Let me pocket watch.
Stretch my hands to you.
Life like, this is what your life like. Try to live your life right. People really know you push your buttons like type right. This is like a movie, but it's really very lifelike. Every single night, right? Every single fight, right? I was looking at the gram and I don't even like lights.
Hey.
I was screaming at my daddy,
Hey.
told me it ain't Christ-like. I was screaming at the referee,
Hey.
just like Mike. Looking for a bright light. Seagull, what your life like? Riding on a white bike, feeling like a sight bike. Pressing on the gas, supernova for a night light. Screaming at my dad and he told me it ain't Christ-like. But nobody never tell you when you're being like Christ. Only ever seeing me, only when they need me. Like if Tyler Perry made a movie for BT, searching for a deity. Now you wanna see it free, now you wanna see it free. Let you see it through your piece. Tell me what your life like, turn it down a bright light. Driving with my dad and he told me it ain't Christ-like. I'm just trying to find, I've been looking for a new way. I'm just really trying not to really do the fool way. I don't have a cool way, being on my best though. Block 'em on the text though, nothing else next though. Not another
Hey, cut it, baby.
or a Desmo. Wrestling.
Hey. Happy hour. What the fuck are we doing exactly, bro? What are we doing? What are we doing right now, bro? Let me take my shades off, bro. Let me get serious with y'all, bro. Let me take my shades off, bro. What the fuck are we doing? 30 points up. Another 30 points up. 55 points down. You know what, bro? Good shit, man. Good shit. That shit ran though. Whoever said they was taking part was at 85 or 87. I believe you said 87. That shit ran. Shit is gone. This shit is fucking gone. YouTube, how many likes we at? $233 people in here. I need 200 likes, bro. Come on, bro. It's my birthday, bro. Can I get 200 likes for my birthday, bro? Can I get 200 likes? Nah, it ain't my birthday, bro. It ain't my birthday. It ain't my birthday, gang. It ain't my birthday. Firing up the grill. Hey, is it still going crazy with the rain out there? Ibrahim, you see, this how I know they don't be actively listening. I said, I'm an Aquarius. We in fucking June. This what y'all lying ass Aquarius is. Oh, come on, bro. I can't make a little jokey joke. I gotta be a lying ass Aquarius. Damn, lying like an Aquarius. What's y'all signs? Knack and Joe Jazz. What's y'all signs? Let me see some. A Taurus. Never heard of y'all. Sagittarius. I'm not gonna lie. Sagittarius was the worst sign I've ever dealt with in my life. You want to talk about a lying bitch? Hey, bro. Hey, I'm just saying, bro. I'm just saying, bro. I'm just saying, bro. That bitch was a yo. Fuck Sagittarius. That girl ain't told you one lie, but she ain't play with your ass either. You know what? Thank you, Lexi Nicole. Sages are manipulative, bro. Victim players, bro. Real deal victim players, bro. Swear they run a strict program, but that motherfucker loose as hell. Ain't shit strict over there. That shit loose. Ain't no program. Now, Capricorns, I fuck with Capricorns. Damn, Tiny, you a Sag? Damn, Tiny. All right, bro. I ain't gonna go too hard, bro. All right. You my dog. You my dog. You my dog. You my dog. I ain't gonna go too hard, bro. Yes, you're right, because my kids don't listen to me. I'm telling you. Y'all tell the world y'all program strict. Whole time just got all type of C's and D's. They don't clean their room. You say stop, they laugh in your face. Do you have preference on what markets openings you like to trade? I trade New York and I trade the happy hour. Well, the Globex open. Nah, Capricorn's cool, man. Capricorn's cool, man. Can't lie. Capricorn's is cool. Aries is cool. But I ain't gonna lie, bro. I only dealt with one Sagittarius, bro. And I ain't gonna let her represent y'all. But she might have been slow a little bit, bro. That I'm gonna just say that. I'm gonna just say that, bro. She was a bad first impression for y'all. All right, bro. Was she November or December? She was December. She was December. Nah, yuck. Like she just, bruh. I ain't gonna lie, we ain't talk about her. Well, you said you were slow too. Yeah, but you know, I'm a self-admitted slow motherfucker, you know? To be slow and think you're not slow is crazy work. I'm not gonna lie. That's crazy work. That's crazy work. You can't be in denial. Were any of your exes big, Margie? You agrees any one of my exes that I show you. Y'all would be bumping coochies, for sure. You would bump coochies with all my exes, bro. Don't let that man Lama fool y'all, bro. Hey, let's run a giveaway. Well, I gotta be a freaky man. Hey, let's run a nice little giveaway, you know? YouTube ain't at 200. Y'all go help him out. Y'all go help him out. YouTube, go help him out. I'm your favorite Capricorn. Priscilla, you a Capricorn? When's your birthday? January 13th? My doggy. That is my favorite Capricorn for sure. I'm cooking. You took them sales? Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. I wish I would have held that motherfucker a little bit, but I'm going to take my profits. I'm not tripping. Erica, you an Aquarius? See, me and you, we Aquarius. When's your birthday, Erica? January 26th? Oh, so you're not a February Aquarius? Hey, fuck you, Dan. Fuck you, Dan. Fuck you, Dan. January 14th? Okay, Capricorn. Erica, even though you a January Aquarius, even though we the real Aquarius, I still fuck with you, bro. We still fam, you know? Capricorns, I love Capricorns. When is yours? Mine is February 6th. February 6th. Do you exclusively trade NASDAQ? Ever since Max mentioned gold last week on one of the streams, I'm loving it. Yeah, I only trade NASDAQ. Only trade NASDAQ. February 12th here. Look at all my Aquarius members. CC, you born the day after my mama. That's probably why I fuck with you so hard. February 5th. Damn, look at all these Aquarius. Nah, Logus hasn't stopped by to say fuck you in a minute. Yeah, I hope Brody good too. I ain't gonna lie, I need that. I need that daily, you know. That's my boy. Your mom and my daughter both February 10th. Damn, she's February 10th? Damn, Dan. Yeah, that's my mom's birthday, February 10th. We 4 days apart. Damn. When's your birthday, Dan? September 4th? Oh, okay, for sure. For sure. So what does that make you with that? January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September. You a Libra? Virgo? Oh, a Virgo? Oh, okay. I really just be talking shit. I don't really get too much into the signs, but I do remember that Sagittarius. I definitely do remember her. My boy Yuck is a Sag. My girl Tiny's a Sag, so I guess y'all all right. I guess y'all all right. Oh, you're a Taurus. Hmm. Left a stain on your brain, we do that. Hey, bro, y'all can't be mad at me. Y'all gotta blame her, bro. That boy said February 17th got burnt by a Sag too. Hopefully you went to the doctor and got all that shit sorted out, my boy boss man. Hopefully you went to the doctor and got all that shit squared away, because I ain't gonna lie, you was supposed to take that to the grave, brother. I won't even lie to you. You was not supposed to say that with all these people in the damn Discord or YouTube. You are tripping. Damn, Luca. That's what I'm saying, Nak. You couldn't torture me to admit that. Mahogany in the charts. You know what's so crazy, Luca? I fuck with Scorpios, bro. You do me like that. All right, let's run a giveaway for the YouTube, mods. Let's run a giveaway for the YouTube. Pretty sure y'all know what the word gonna be though. The word on YouTube is Aquarius. Yeah. Yeah, I said it. I'll say it again. Aquarius. Scorpios are fun. Damn, this short is still shorting. Scorpios are fun. If you know, you know. Damn, it said it got canceled. Maj, you know it got canceled? On YouTube, it said, okay, there we go. Coach, what's Lama's sign? I think Lama's birthday is like July 6th or some shit like that. So I think that's what? That's like a Cancer? That's a Cancer, right? This short is shorting. Shit is down officially 100 points. 100 points. All right, we have a winner. We have a winner. I think it triggered twice. Yeah, ignore this one. All right, so keep going. Ignore that one. All right, bet. My bad. Damn. Coach, how old you is? I'm 28, Brody. Nah, I ain't unk, bro. I'm big homie. I'm big bro. I'll be unking about 2 years. We got a winner, Alvilar05. Alvilar05. Come to the Discord, open up a support ticket. We have a free indicator of your choice. Nah, I ain't no YN. I ain't no YN. I ain't no baby either, deuces. So Tiny, it goes from like 18 to 25. 18 to 25, you a YN. From 26 to 29, you big bro, big homie. 30 to about that is 6, you 37 and up, you school. You old school. You old head. OG, triple OG. Yo, this short is fucking shorting, guy. How old are you, Tiny? 27? Oh, okay. Yuck, you 32. Damn. What you asked me, Margie? Who house smells worse? Someone who owns 8 cats or someone who owns 8 dogs? They both don't do deep cleanings. I feel like the dogs will smell worse because cats clean themselves, low key. Margie, you 30? Margie, you was an auntie this whole time? Now I feel like cats clean themselves though. All right, Discord. Nah, Nat, you a thick ass auntie. Accept it. You the thick auntie at the barbecue that everybody, all the nephew homeboys be like, who the what, that's your auntie? That's who you is. You gotta accept it. All right, Discord. Let's run a nice little giveaway. Yeah, but Jazz, you don't even look like you in your 30s. Right. Where you get it from? I see you, nephew. Right. All right, so for Discord, let me see. How should I do this? I'm thinking of a fruit. Let's do it. Hold up. Let me see. Who got it first? Jazz. It definitely was strawberry. Let me see. Because nobody put strawberry, pineapple, peach, kiwi, watermelon, fuck you, grape, fuck you, mango, watermelon, pineapple, banana, fire for that, pear, mango, tomato. That's not a vegetable.
What's up?
Jazz, what's that word?
You can hear me?
Nah. I don't know, you gotta do something with your mic.
What you mean no? How you say no when I say can you hear me?
I was there though. Did you catch this banger with us?
No, I ain't been trading, but I've been tuning in or whatever.
Oh, all right, for sure. But listen, we're gonna have a 50K account swinging your way.
Oh, thank you.
You know
Maybe I'll start trading again.
Right, you ain't got a choice.
Yeah, at this point. Well, I appreciate it.
For sure. Look out for the mods. They'll reach out to you.
All right, thank you.
Bro, that short is insane right now, bro. Strawberry, that's my favorite fruit. So you feel me? I think I put watermelon right after that. I fuck with mangoes too. You know what I don't like though? Blueberries. I don't like blueberries, bro. Oh yeah, CC, you know you can't go wrong with some kiwis. They refreshing. Golden berries, I don't know what the fuck that is. I put blueberries in my oatmeal. This man watched too much fucking commercials. I haven't seen some shit like that since 2008, waiting on SpongeBob to resume. Who the fuck puts blueberries in their cereal, in their oatmeal? That's some commercial ass shit, bro. Damn, hold on, how? 180 points down. Any advice on what prop is good for a new trader and how much 25K or 50K? Shit. 50Ks make the most sense to me. There's only a 500 difference as far as like drawdown goes. And you can use Lucid. No activation fees. And it's just end of day. I think Lucid would be pretty good for you. Make sure you use code BDM, brother, so you can get that discount. God forbid he want to jazz his shit up. Tiny, do you put blueberries in your cereal? Right. He could jazz that shit up the street, man. This the motherfucking happy hour. We don't do that. All right, guys, that is a banger happy hour. I mean, I think we were what, 3 for 3? 3 for 3, no L's. If you guys made profits with us, congratulations. If you guys didn't make profits, didn't take any trades, break even. Money miss is not money loss. If you guys lost money, chin up, chest out. Not every day gonna be a green day. Not every trade gonna be a green trade. If you guys blew your accounts, make sure you guys are using code, BDM. If you're using TBT, use code P2P or BDM. Make sure you guys tip the staff. Tip the staff. They work solely off of tips. They do all of the support tickets. They handle up everything. They do it all off the love. They are the backbone of this Discord, making sure everybody is taken care of. So tip the staff is very much appreciated. They do it all off the love, all right? Make sure you guys are checking out the website, www.maxoptionstrading.com, where it's the one-stop shop for y'all, where you guys can open up your support tickets. You can look at the indicators, find out some of the best signals in the game. You can look at courses. If you guys are trying to get some education, you can book a course, or you can get a course from the website. If you guys are looking for coachings, you can book a coaching call from the website. Everything is on the Max Options Trading website. Make sure you guys check that out. What else do we have? Make sure you guys are using the props from our partner prop firms. We have some amazing deals going on right now. And make sure you guys checking everything out, man. Follow me on the socials. Coach Pay to Play on YouTube, Coach Pay to Player. And that's about it, man. Pre-market. If you guys are P2P students or F1 students and you guys aren't subscribed to the pre-market, get yourself subscribed, man. Tons and tons of education before and after we're done taking trades. Pre-market, going over our trading plan for the day. Sometimes catching some bangers in there too. And we're doing daily recaps, going over the trades that we took and how did our trading plan from pre-market affect our New York Open. All right. Shit, that's all I got for y'all, man. I'm gonna see y'all tomorrow. Pre-market, I'm gonna see y'all in the morning. Discord, YouTube, I'm gonna catch y'all in the comment section, all right? Habib Burr. Drop some player shit, man.
Pressure from my father and my mother say that I'm a failure and I can't recover. But how many more times will I hear him say this? And how many more times will I have to say it? The world is changing, and it's not about how hard you can work, but rather how much risk you can manage. And the quicker you learn, the quicker you'll be up on your feet. The quicker you'll be up on your feet. I don't wanna be basic, I want a life that's amazing. Only way to make it, accept it, trade it, risk it, own it, finance, money. Risk it, own it, finance, money. Only way to make it, accept it, trade it, risk it, own it, finance, money. Risk it, own it, finance, money. I was the guy that said you can do it, I never did it. But how many more times will I hear him say this? And how many more times will I have to say it? The world is changing, and it's not about how hard you can work, but rather how much risk you can manage. And the quicker you learn, the quicker you'll be up on your feet. The quicker you'll be up on your feet. I don't wanna be basic, I want a life that's amazing. Only way to make it, accept it, trade it, risk it, own it, finance, money. Risk it, own it, finance, money. Only way to make it, accept it, trade it, risk it, own it, finance, money. Risk it, own it, finance, money. They said trading was easy, but they didn't know about me.